Okay, part E wants to know when is the particle moving to the right. To determine whether the particle is moving to the right or the left, we are going to use the velocity function. We are going to essentially apply the first derivative test. We have our values when we know the particle stops, and now we just have to determine when it moves directions. Our function is only going between time equals 0 and 5, so I'm going to draw myself a number line that goes between 0 and 5. Put my 2 and my 3. And again, all we're going to do is test values and determine whether it's positive or negative. Anytime that velocity happens to be positive, we're moving to the right. Anytime that it is negative, we are moving to the left. So if I put in a 1 in my function, that's going to get me a negative and a negative, and a negative and a negative always give me a positive. Putting in a 4, that's going to get me a positive and a positive to give me a positive. But putting in a number such as 2.5, that's going to give me a positive and a negative to give me a negative. So again, wherever we happen to be positive, we are going to the right. Anything that's negative is to the left. And again, going to the right. So we would say if we're asking when exactly are we moving to the right, we are moving to the right anytime we are between 0 and 2 and between 3 and 5 seconds.